In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Google Slides directly, a task that should take you about 5 minutes to accomplish. Let's dive into the process and simplify your life with a step-by-step guide to sharing your presentation seamlessly with just a few clicks. First, you'll need to access Google Slides. If you're not already there, open your web browser and head over to the Google Slides website. It's a great tool for creating engaging and visually appealing presentations right from your browser without needing special software. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, the next step is to sign into your Google account. If you're not already logged in, you'll find the sign in option in the top right corner. Simply click on it, enter your credentials, and you'll be securely logged in, gaining full access to all your documents and presentations. Now that you're signed in and ready to go, locate the Google Slides home. Here, you'll see a list of all your previous presentations along with some options to create new ones. For today's task, click on either the blank presentation button if you want to start fresh, or select one of the available templates if you have a particular style in mind. These templates can save you time and provide creative structures that enhance your message. With your presentation open, your next move is to navigate to the File menu located in the top left corner of the screen. It's the starting point for a variety of actions you can take with your presentation, from saving and exporting to sharing and emailing. After clicking on File, a drop-down menu will appear showing several different options. From this menu, look for the option labeled Email. Click on it and it will prompt another set of options, helping you choose how you'd like to share your presentation via email. Select Email this file. This specific option allows you to send a copy of your Google Slides presentation directly through email, simplifying the sharing process and ensuring that your audience receives the exact content you've crafted. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to emailing your Google Slides presentation. Now your presentation can reach its audience directly through email, making it easier for you to share your work without unnecessary downloads or file conversions. I hope this guide helps you take full advantage of Google Slides' built-in features to streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.